Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its impact on our lives. In today's episode, we talk in depth about the rise of robots and what it means if AI becomes smarter than humans. So buckle up and let's get started. The concept of machines becoming more intelligent than humans is known as the technological singularity. This is a made-up point in the future when artificial intelligence, AI, will be smarter than humans. This could lead to fast technological progress and unforeseeable results. Some experts believe this could happen within the next few decades, while others think it's still centuries away. But what does it really mean for humanity? AI has already begun to revolutionize industries, making our lives more convenient and efficient. Intelligent systems like self-driving cars and AI-assisted medical diagnosis have the potential to make the world a better place in a lot of ways. They can reduce human error, make complex decisions quickly, and even help solve some of our most pressing global challenges. However, there are also potential downsides to the rise of AI. As robots and AI systems become more advanced, they could potentially displace millions of human workers, leading to massive unemployment and social unrest. Moreover, AI can be weaponized, resulting in autonomous killer drones and other dangerous technologies. And let's not forget the potential loss of privacy with AI-driven surveillance systems. To mitigate the risks associated with superintelligent AI, it's crucial that we establish ethical guidelines, safety protocols, and global regulations. By doing so, we can ensure that AI is developed responsibly and used for the benefit of all humanity. Collaboration between governments, industries, and AI researchers is vital for creating a future where humans and AI coexist harmoniously. In conclusion, the rise of AI presents us with both exciting opportunities and significant challenges. By preparing ourselves and working together, we can shape a future where AI and humans coexist, benefiting from each other's strengths and intelligence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating discussions about the world of technology. Until next time, stay curious,